You know what's really eye-opening? The idea that things like poor circulation or sluggish energy aren't just natural parts of getting older. Sometimes they're actually your body's way of sending up red flags, saying, "Hey, I need more support than I'm getting." Here's something sobering. In this country, someone dies from a heart-related issue every 36 seconds. That's not just a number. It represents real people, real families, real lives cut short. But here's the hopeful part. There might already be help sitting quietly in your kitchen right now. 3 everyday ingredients, ones you've probably used before, can team up in a powerful way to support better blood flow, clearer arteries, and renewed energy you thought was long gone. I'm Dr. James, and for over 30 years, I've worked with older adults who are ready to take their health back, not just manage symptoms, but truly improve how they feel from the inside out. What I'm about to share with you isn't some trendy fad or unproven alternative remedy. This is grounded in science, backed by decades of research, and yes, it works. You've likely used garlic, ginger, and lemon before, but maybe not in the way I'm about to show you. When prepared correctly, these 3 ingredients work together like a well-tuned engine, clearing blockages, boosting blood flow, and giving your heart the daily support it deserves. So if you're watching this because you're tired of feeling tired, because you want to walk without struggling, or because you want your energy and confidence back, I'm telling you now, there's hope. And it starts with what you already have at home. Stick around because what I'm about to share could change everything. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss another simple, science-backed tip made especially for people like you. And if you find this helpful, drop a 1 in the comments. If not, type a 0. Your feedback helps me keep making videos that speak directly to what you need. All right, let's get started with the first ingredient, one that's been quietly working behind the scenes for centuries. Garlic, nature's arterial helper. Let me tell you about one of my patients, Mr. Lawson. He was 68, a retired firefighter, and came in feeling completely drained. Cold hands, shortness of breath after just a few steps, high blood pressure, and scans showed early plaque buildup in his arteries. He didn't want to jump into medication yet. He wanted to try something natural first. We talked about garlic, not the kind in capsules or processed powders, but raw, fresh garlic used the right way. Most people think of garlic as just a kitchen staple, a seasoning to add flavor. But when it's crushed and left to sit for 10 minutes, something incredible happens. A compound called allicin gets activated, turning garlic into a natural vasodilator. That means it helps open up blood vessels, ease pressure on the heart, and allow blood to move more freely through your body. There's something poetic about that, isn't there? Something sharp and strong can become gentle medicine when treated with care. Clinical studies have shown garlic can reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. One study in 2016 even found that aged garlic extract could slow, and in some cases, begin reversing arterial plaque buildup. And the results? They're not just numbers on paper. Mr. Lawson felt them in his day-to-day life. After just 3 weeks of taking crushed garlic first thing in the morning, he had more energy. His skin looked healthier. He wasn't gasping for air walking to the mailbox anymore. By 2 months in, his cholesterol levels dropped, and his doctor asked what statin he'd started using. He hadn't taken anything else, just garlic, lemon, ginger, and consistency. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties. That means it doesn't just clear existing buildup. It helps calm the inflammation that leads to future damage. Plus, it supports immune function, fights bacteria, and may even benefit brain health. Now here's the key. Raw garlic is where the magic is. Cooking it destroys most of the allicin. For real impact, crush 2 to 3 cloves, let them rest for 10 minutes, and take them with warm water on an empty stomach. Yes, the taste is strong, but trust me, clean arteries are worth it. This isn't some rare superfood shipped in from halfway across the world. It's in your kitchen. And when used daily, it can literally change lives. It already has. Ginger, the circulation spark. If garlic is the cleaner, then ginger is the spark, the ingredient that gets your blood moving once the path is cleared. I remember Evelyn, a 72-year-old teacher who came in with cold fingers, joint pain, and low energy. Her tests showed poor circulation and high inflammation markers. She told me she used to walk 5 miles a day. Now, she was out of breath going to her mailbox. She didn't want pills, so we kept it simple. Fresh ginger every morning, made like tea. Gingerol and Shogal, 2 active compounds in ginger, work deep within your blood vessels to reduce inflammation and boost blood flow. They act like natural vasodilators, opening up your vessels so oxygen and nutrients reach every part of your body, including your brain, heart, and yes, areas that affect vitality and performance. Evelyn started slicing a small piece of ginger, steeping it in hot water, and sipping it slowly on an empty stomach. Within a week, her hands warmed up. By week 3, she was climbing stairs again without getting winded. Science backs this up, too. A 2019 study found that ginger significantly lowered blood pressure and improved arterial flexibility. Another from 2021 showed it reduced clot formation, critical for preventing strokes and heart attacks. And the benefits go beyond the heart. Ginger aids digestion, supports liver function, boosts brain clarity, and even helps with nausea and muscle recovery. For older adults, that kind of whole-body support is priceless. But here's the kicker. Ginger's power grows when combined with the next ingredient. Lemon, the silent protector. Lemon might seem like the quietest player here, but it's actually one of the most powerful. Take Frank, a 75-year-old bus driver who came in with borderline high blood pressure, brain fog, and digestive issues. When I suggested adding lemon to his routine, not just for taste, but as a true detoxifier, he was skeptical, but he gave it a shot. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C and polyphenols, natural antioxidants that protect your blood vessels from oxidative stress. That's the silent damage that thickens artery walls, reduces elasticity, and eventually leads to blockages. Within weeks, Frank said he felt lighter. His blood pressure came down, his digestion improved, and for the first time in a while, his mind felt sharp again. A 2022 study found that regular lemon intake actively helped break down cholesterol deposits in arteries, meaning it could help prevent heart attacks and strokes. Lemon also supports immunity, kidney function, and skin health, and it makes the garlic and ginger even more effective by improving nutrient absorption. All you need is 1 fresh lemon each morning. Squeeze it into warm water. That's it. No fancy tools, no expensive supplements, just pure, living nutrition. The morning ritual: garlic, ginger, and lemon. Together. Now, here's where the real transformation happens, because it's not just about what you take, it's about how you take it. Let me tell you about Carol, a 69-year-old woman who tried everything: pills, powders, even expensive supplements. Nothing stuck. She was frustrated, exhausted, and losing hope. I walked her through this simple tonic, not as a miracle cure, but as a gift she could give her body every single morning. She did it, every morning, like clockwork. Within days, her digestion improved. 2 weeks later, she had more energy. By the end of the month, her blood pressure and cholesterol had dropped, and she said she felt like her brain had woken up. Here's how to make it. Crush 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and let them sit for 10 minutes. Grate or slice a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Squeeze juice from 1 lemon. Mix all 3 into half a cup of warm, not hot, water. Stir well and sip slowly on an empty stomach. Some strain it, others blend it. Either way works. The key is consistency. Warm water helps with absorption. An empty stomach gives your body a clear path to deliver those nutrients exactly where they're needed most: your arteries, your vessels, your heart. Do this every morning. If your doctor approves, consider a second serving in the evening if you're dealing with serious circulation issues. No complicated steps. No chasing after miracle cures. Just 3 real foods your body knows how to use. What to expect week by week. How soon will you notice a difference? Well, it's not instant. This isn't a pill that masks symptoms. It's a shift. Gradual, steady, and deeply healing. Take Harold, a 71-year-old man with early signs of atherosclerosis. He was skeptical, but willing to try. The first few days, nothing noticeable. But by week 1, his hands and feet were warmer. The brain fog began lifting. Week 2 brought more alertness, easier breathing during walks, and better stamina. By week 4, his blood pressure had dropped enough to raise eyebrows at his next checkup. His cholesterol panel improved too, not just total numbers, but the balance between LDL and HDL. Here's what many people experience. Week 1, warmer extremities, less fatigue, more energy. Week 2 to 3, deeper sleep, sharper thinking, improved digestion. Week 4 plus, lower blood pressure, better cholesterol, and a stronger sense of vitality. It's not just about numbers. It's about waking up and feeling capable, feeling like yourself again, because your body hasn't given up on you, and you haven't given up on it either. Final thoughts. Your health journey starts now. Wherever you are today, whether you're tired, scared, or just missing the person you used to be, there's a path forward. It's not complicated. It's not expensive. And it starts with what you already have in your kitchen. Start tomorrow. Be consistent. Give your body the chance to surprise you, because you're not done yet. Not even close. If you found this video helpful, please leave a 1 in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell icon so you never miss another episode focused on real science-backed health tips for people over 50. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.